What's going on, everybody? Today we have a package straight from Taiwan. So this is a product that so many people talk about on the forums, and there's a lot of questioning about it. Does it work? Does it not work? Is it just a gimmick? And today I'm actually here to try it out. So what these are the performance solenoids for your VVTi system. So this comes with the intake and exhaust solenoid, and these are practically just a plug-and-play system on the 1.8 liter Corolla and several other models of cars that they sell these for. So, but these are specifically sold by Red Bullet. If you guys are interested, I'll be putting a link down below and a promo code for them to save you a few dollars on your product. There has been a lot of controversy about these and whether or not they actually do their job or not. And today I'm actually here to show you and tell you how well they work. So let's turn the Corolla around and actually put these in the car. All right, and so I just want to give you guys a quick backstory on this product because I've had, like I said, I was even questioning about how these work and everything like that. So, and there are some dyno proven results on these, but there is another, let's talk about the elephant in the room, which is the other performance solenoids, which are about double the price of these, which the other brand is the Quantum solenoids, which I think you can pick up a set of these from Quantum solenoids for like $600, and these are half that price. So, and this practically is the same exact design because, like I said, I did my research and I talked with a couple people, and the people at Red Bullet really helped figure things out with these solenoids. And what turns out to be the people who make the ones for Red Bullet, which is this company on the box, like Shahi Racing, they were the original ones who also made them for the Quantum solenoids. But then Quantum solenoids went off to a different company, and Red Bullet was the ones who originally kept with this company. So that's practically like the backstory of them. So they're practically the same. I know Quantum solenoids has changed their design a little bit more than what Shahi Racing has, but I don't think it's to the point where it's making the horsepower gains that they say they really are. As well as these solenoids come with a 2-year warranty, and I believe the Quantum solenoids only come with a 1-year warranty. So that is also another benefit of these. So if something does go wrong, you're warranted for twice as long versus the other ones that pop your engine cover off. And they are literally right here. So I don't know exactly which one's the intake, which one's the exhaust, but you can tell the difference because the plugs are facing a different way. So if we hop over into here, you can see the plug here is going straight to the back here, while on this one comes off to the side. So this way you'll know which one goes where, because they are practically like the same design concept on the part here, but the plug is slightly in a different orientation. So, and all you're going to need is just a 10mm bolt to crack both of them loose and then unclip the clips here. Alright, so once you get the plug undone and not struggle like I did, you can unscrew the bolt. There might be a little oil that comes out of here, so you might want a rag just to wipe things up. And there's the bolt. And then just kind of give them like a pull and a twist. Alright, yeah, there's a little oil coming out. So, and if you're wondering how these increase like power and everything like that, is I guess some of the ports on the inside of the solenoid are a little bit bigger, and they're able to change the timing of the VVTi to kick on like a little bit sooner, I believe, from what I have read. And that is how it gets a little bit more power out of it. And the thing is with these, another reason why they're also cheaper is because they ship straight from Taiwan, versus I think the quantum solenoids have inventory in the United States. So, but here is the two solenoids. They look practically the same. You can see on here there seems to be an extra port here, versus on here there is no extra port. But they are ultimately almost the same. This is also bigger. I don't know, the electronic portion of it's a little bigger. So we'll swap this one in. Just push it in and it'll literally, the O-ring will snap into place. And your plug should fit right on. And that's pretty much the whole thing. And then the other one might be a little bit harder to get to since it's in the back. And I know on the quantum solenoids, they say you need to do an oil change, but they say it's more of like a gimmick than anything, because it really doesn't change anything other than making it sound like you do a little bit more for nothing. I mean, it might help to like have clean oil that starts going through here, but I mean, if you take care of your engine, you will probably always have clean oil. So this one also looks like it holds on the wire loom in the back, so you got to make sure you go through the wire loom as well. All right, that one's installed. We'll put our clip back on. All right, so one other thing I just kind of wanted to go over too is like I said, they claim that your horsepower gains on this is like 4 to 6 horsepower, which isn't a lot, but it's a simple little bolt-on that you can do to your Corolla, versus practically the same product on quantum solenoids, which is $600 for the same set, and they say it gives you about 24 horsepower, which I honestly don't think something like this could give you that much power. I could understand a few horsepower here and there, but that extreme amount is a little bit more than I would think. So, but I'm gonna button everything up, put my engine cover back on, and actually let's take this thing on the road and see if we notice a difference or not. All right, you guys, so let's hop in the car and let's go for a drive real quick. See if we can notice like a drastic increase. I mean, I'm not expecting to feel a drastic increase. All right, so let's give it a little bit of acceleration here. Okay, I don't know, that was the first acceleration, so it felt a little better than normal. I mean, we'll do a couple more just to see how it feels. I mean, like I said, I want to say I feel a difference, so it seems like they are doing something. Another good reason to upgrade to these is they also talk about MPG. Your MPG will go up about maybe 2 MPG on average, so which is also a nice little increase, but we're more looking for the performance than the MPG. Oh, and also too, I don't have any check engine lights or anything like that as well. I mean, I definitely want to say it does feel a little bit more peppy than it did. So, Not nearly as much as like when I got the tune or anything, but it does seem like there is a little bit more power behind it. I mean, the best way to really test would be to like do like a 0 to 60 or anything like that. And maybe in the future I might buy one of those like more expensive things that GPS track you to get a good accurate 0 to 60 time. Because I'm curious how well we can get a good 0 to 60 time on this car with just like all the full bolt-ons and stuff that we have done to this car. Like I said, it does feel way more peppy, so like I wish I had more roads to drive on. But the more and more like I keep driving with it, it does seem, as the car's warming up a little bit more, it does seem like it does feel a little bit better. I don't know if it's just a placebo effect, but I mean, it does feel better. It doesn't help that it's raining either, so. Alright, so I'm back from the test drive, and I have to say, I feel a little bit of increase in power, not a lot, but they don't claim a lot of power increase. So this is more, like I said, if you're more of an enthusiast trying to add as many bolt-ons as you can to your Corolla, I think this is a great product. So if you guys are interested in this, I'll be putting a link down below and a small discount code to save you guys a couple dollars. But with all that being said, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.